It's time for our mindful moment. Let's breathe. First, sit in a comfortable position with your back straight, like me. You can also lie down with your back flat on the ground. We are going to breathe deeply through our nose for the count of 3, and then out through our mouths for the count of 3. And I'll do the counting. You just concentrate on that breathing. Close your eyes. And now breathe in through your nose. 1, 2, 3. And out through your mouth. 1, 2, 3. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. And out. 1, 2, 3. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. And out. 1, 2, 3. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. And out. 1, 2, 3. Keep breathing. And as you breathe in, notice the breath is cool coming through your nose and warmer leaving your mouth. Breathe in the cool and out the warm. 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 And open your eyes. That's it! Great job! You are so awesome and smart and capable of doing anything you put your mind to. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, sending happy thoughts.